Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 14th lesson symmetry, and we are trying to understand rotational symmetry with certain examples. In exercise 14.2 depends upon rotational symmetry. Let us try to understand rotational symmetry with some other examples. Now we are given the question, which of the following figures have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Look at this wheel. Now you look at this circle which is having two diameters drawn exactly perpendicular to each other. So here, in order to reach this radius up to this point, we will have to rotate it by 90 degrees. Then and then only this line will reach up to this point. So here you can see we can rotate in clockwise direction. If we are rotating in clockwise direction, still it does have a rotational symmetry. If we rotate in anti-clockwise direction, still it does have a rotational symmetry. Now you will notice angle of rotation is in this angle of rotation is 90 degrees. Please note one more point. First, if we rotate by 90 degrees, we will get the same figure. Again, if we rotate by 90 degrees, that is after 180 degrees, we will get the same figure. Again, if we rotate by 90 degrees, we will get 270 degrees change, but still you will get figure will look same. Again, if you rotate by 90 degrees, we will reach 360 degrees. Then also you will see the figure looks same. So here order of rotation is order of rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is equal to 4. Please note, each time when you rotate after 360 degrees, we get the same, exactly each point reaches the same place. Now see the second figure. In second figure, it is given, we assume that this is an equilateral triangle. If all sides are equal, then you will notice that if you rotate it by 120 degrees, this point will reach here. If you again rotate by 120 degrees, this point will reach here. Again, if you rotate by 120 degrees, the point will come to its original position. So here, angle of rotation is 120 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is is equal to 3. Now see the third figure. In third figure, in C figure, you will notice that even if you rotate by 180 degrees, we will get something like this, which is not the original position, which doesn't look like the original figure. So here we have to rotate completely by 360 degrees. Then and then only the figure will look same. So here angle of rotation is equal to 360 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is equal to only 1. So we have to rotate completely, then and then only we get this exactly rotational symmetry, and we need to rotate through 360 degrees, hence order of rotational symmetry is 1. Now see the next figure, D figure. In this, the figure is H shaped. If you rotate exactly by 180 degrees, that is top side will go down and downside will go up. In that case, angle of rotation is 180 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is 2. Next is E figure. In figure there are 3 bars. 3 radius are drawn to the circle. So 3 radii are there. If you rotate this again by 120 degrees, you will notice it goes to the original position. So here angle of rotation is is equal to 120 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is order of rotational symmetry is equal to 3. Last figure is F figure. Please note, if you rotate by 90 degrees in clockwise direction, we will get the same figure. So here angle of rotation is, I am writing for F this side. For F figure, angle of rotation is 90 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is 4. Dear friends, we have next question. Give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. So here, please note the flag positions are opposite. So if you rotate by 180 degrees, we will get the same position. So here angle of rotation is 180 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is equal to 2. In second figure also you see angle is not 90 degrees. So if you rotate it by 90 degrees, you will get something like this. This is 80 degrees. Figure is not symmetric. It means we have to rotate it by 180 degrees. So here also in second figure also you will notice that angle of rotation is equal to 180 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is equal to 2. In third figure, again the figure looks like an equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle, then we have to rotate this by 120 degrees only. So here angle of rotation is 120 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is 3. In last fourth D figure, we will notice that we are able to reach after rotating it by 90 degrees. So angle of rotation is equal to 90 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is equal to 4. Dear friends, let us continue with the same question. Give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. We have E number figure. Please note, these are all similar, and center of rotation is at the center of the figure. Now about the center of rotation, if you rotate, you will see that angle of rotation is equal to 90 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is equal to 4. Now see the second figure. Here total angles are, if you rotate this point up to this point up to this, you will get the same. We consider this is as a regular pentagon. All sides are equal. If you consider it as a regular pentagon, even if it doesn't look doesn't look like a regular pentagon, you have to imagine that it is a regular pentagon. All sides are equal. You will see that if you rotate it by 72 degrees, and 72 degrees, you will see it occupies the same place. So here you can see total angle is 360, and order of rotational symmetry is 5. Order of rotational symmetry is equal to 5. It means angle of rotation is equal to 360 divided by 5. You will get 5 sevens are 35. One left. 5 to the 10, so 72 degrees. Angle of rotation is 72 degrees. In this way you can calculate the angle of rotation. Total 360 divided by order of rotational symmetry. If you do it, you will get the angle of rotation. Now here you will notice that there are six angles are there for this star. It means rotational order of rotational symmetry is 6. Order of rotational symmetry is equal to 6, and hence angle of rotation will be angle of rotation is equal to 360 upon 6, that is equal to 60 degrees. Now last figure. Even if my figure is not looking symmetrical, you have to assume that it is symmetrical. All three legs are same. So in this case you will notice that angle of rotation is 120 degrees, 120 degrees and 120 degrees. So here order of rotational symmetry is 3. Order of rotational symmetry is equal to 3, and angle of rotation is 360 upon 3, that is equal to 120 degrees.